My two dogs and nature the best therapy. The best therapy ever. Regardless how beautiful or not beautiful it may look. As long as you're somewhere in nature. I love that bit. The greenery, the different shades of green. Regardless of where you are, as long as there's no concrete and signs of civilization, that's nature. Oh, it's lovely. We've been walking for about almost an hour, and Leah, she keeps going, and darling, we have to go back at some point, and it's going to be dark when we do that, and I'm not sure whether that's a good idea, walking in the dark in such place. There's the sun going down slowly. Trains. But this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So yeah, for anyone who has been through numerous therapies and they feel to some point they do help to the point, and then it just becomes catch-22. It just doesn't go anywhere. You achieve a level when you're done with them, when they don't help because it's just, or somebody doesn't want you to progress, or there are just different parts to healing yourself. And right now, this for me is healing, whatever that means. I'm feeding with cosmic energy. Maybe I should rather say earthly energy from nature, because I don't know what's going around in cosmos, and I'm not sure whether at this point in my life I want to know what's going on in cosmos. Fluff knows what Elon Musk is doing up there. Wants to build a load of crap on Mars and I don't know, other planets. Seriously, if you all go up there, I'd be quite happy here. Just don't destroy the planet Earth. I'm quite happy being here on my own with my two dogs. The nature will give me everything I need. Everything. Food, air, shelter, everything. And trust me, I'll be very happy with that. I don't need money. I have enough clothes that I have. Grima Jave! So therapy for me is a no-go area. First, you have to sit in a room with a therapist, a psychiatrist. And there's a desk between you. That's a contradiction in terms. It's the contradiction itself. Some dead objects preventing you from having a relationship with your therapist. It's cruel. It's not natural. Secondly, all therapists are different. They all bring their own trauma to the session. They bring their own personality, and you don't know what their personality is or are. We don't know these people just because they're educated to the level, allegedly, they can treat people. it doesn't mean that they actually achieve that. So I'm very much respectful towards my body, my thoughts and my brain. And I'm not going to let just anybody screw my head. I'd rather go to places like this and I don't have to be afraid that somebody will screw my head. It's as simple as that. Here, you're not being judged. You feel normal, like every human should feel, regardless of if I'm wearing makeup or not, what sort of clothes I wear, how much weight I put on or shed off. So, yeah, nature is the place to be. Yeah, the sun's going down. The dog seems so happy. The dog seems so happy. So, yeah, no therapy for me. Conventional. This is my therapy. And I think every person has the right to decide what sort of therapy they will seek and pick and what is the best for them. I have that right. It's my right. It's institutional right. So nobody else can tell me what's good for me and what's not. I've tried loads and nothing worked. And this works. When something works, you stick to it. Call it an addiction. I'm addicted to walks in nature. So be it. I'm addicted to Philippilia. So be it. Okay, it's 25th of December, 2022. And I wish you all the best. God bless. Dio ti benedica.